Hey, it's Mary from Rad City Resin, and I am about to go into what I think is going to be one of the coolest stores in my area. I live in Central Florida, and this is very close to the town that I live in, and I'm really excited. If you haven't heard of them before, they're a place called Glitter Hippo, and they sell every imaginable type of glitter that you could want or dream of. So let's go see what it looks like. How cool is this store? It's a resin maker's dream. Glitter in every color you could possibly imagine. They even have molds. Oh, look how cool. How Halloween is that? This place is awesome. If you're in Central Florida, definitely come out to Winter Haven and check this out. You can even find molds, pigments, even supplies. Very cool. Come check out Glitter Hippo. Okay, so here's a little off-the-cuff review of the stuff I got at Glitter Hippo. So they go by Glitter Hippo because they run a website called glitterhippo.com, and then they also have solarcoloredust.com. I think Solar Colored Dust is more so a specialty for like car paint and things like that. So let's take a look at what I got. I actually got quite a few different colors. It just like spilled out. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is cute. So it's like, this is the company, Glitter Hippo, where all glitters are just $3. Glitter Hippo store. So they're based out of near where I live. It's a couple towns over. So it was a little bit of a drive this morning, but look how cute this is. They gave a little sample of their Ghost Chameleon ultralight iridescent color shift pigment, sparkle sea green and iris. Ooh, that's gonna be exciting. I'll look at that later. Okay, so let's look at what I got. I got quite a few little things here. So I bought 5 glitters, and then I bought a silicone mold, because they do sell those as well. These are little planchettes, and it also like a spirit board, which you can't really tell, so I'll come back to that later. Okay, so first and foremost, they had some really cute shape mixes. This one says it's Spooks and Haunts, and I believe it's just like little ghosts. I'll open it up in a little bit and kind of show you what that looks like. I also got some Mylar flakes. These are always my favorite. These are kind of yellow green. They're so pretty, and I think they're going to make a really cool opal effect. I also got some green Mylar flakes, some like pretty vivid green. These are called Easter grass. I also got this really pretty blue. The color shift in it is gorgeous, and I had to have it. I might go back and get more of this. You can actually buy it in like 100 ml bags, like huge bags full, but I don't have a need for that much right now, but I just wanted to kind of sample some stuff out. And then these are my favorite. They're little bats. You can kind of see them. They're holographic, and they're just, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to do something with these. These might go into one of those little planchettes, but look how sparkly. Love it. Okay, super cool. Love that. I'm going to very quickly open this guy. This is like a full-size sample of, you know, whatever this little ghost chameleon. So they actually had these available for sale. And I almost got a couple of them, but I didn't really have a plan for them, so I didn't get them. Let me try to focus in. Can't really see the color payout. Oh, there we go. A little bit. But once I make something with them, I'll show you. Oh, that's a lot better. I'm not sure why they call them ghost chameleon. Maybe just because it's a white. Not really sure, but that color is gorgeous. Okay, super excited. Awesome. So if you're in the area, or if you're, you know, if you have access to a computer, which you better because you're watching this, go to Glitter Hippo, glitterhippo.com, and check them out. Or follow them on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, Glitter Hippo Store. Very cool. Awesome. All right, guys, stay rad and make something cool today.